Welcome to our video on the top 10 deadliest weather events. Throughout history, extreme weather phenomena have wrought havoc across the globe, claiming countless lives and altering landscapes forever. From catastrophic floods and hurricanes to devastating earthquakes and tsunamis, each event has left its mark on humanity. Join us as we delve into these historical disasters, uncovering their impacts and the lessons we've learned from them. Let's begin our journey through the most deadly weather events that have shaped our world. 1. 1931 China floods. The 1931 China floods are often cited as the deadliest weather event in recorded history. This calamity resulted in an estimated 1 to 4 million deaths, a staggering number that still echoes through time. The catastrophe was the result of a lethal combination of extreme weather conditions. Heavy snowmelt, relentless torrential rains, and a sequence of cyclones converged to create a perfect storm. Rivers swelled beyond their banks, inundating vast swaths of land and swallowing entire villages. The sheer scale of the disaster was unprecedented, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair that reshaped the landscape and the lives of millions. 2. 1887 Yellow River flood. The Yellow River, often dubbed China's Sorrow, lived up to its name in 1887 when it unleashed one of the most catastrophic floods in history. The deluge claimed between 900,000 and 2 million lives, a grim testament to nature's fury. As the river breached its banks, it displaced millions, forcing them to flee their homes and livelihoods. The aftermath was dire, as the flooding led to widespread famine and disease, compounding the misery of those who survived. This tragic event highlighted the vulnerability of human settlements to the whims of nature and underscored the importance of flood management. 3. 1970 Bola Cyclone. The Bola cyclone of 1970 struck what was then East Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh, with devastating force. It remains the deadliest tropical cyclone on record, claiming the lives of an estimated 300,000 to 500,000 people. The cyclone's high winds and massive storm surge wreaked havoc on coastal communities, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The disaster exposed the region's vulnerability to such natural phenomena and underscored the need for improved warning systems and infrastructure to mitigate future losses. The cyclone's impact was felt not only in terms of human loss but also in its political ramifications, contributing to the eventual independence of Bangladesh. 4. 1556 Shaanxi earthquake. While primarily an earthquake, the 1556 Shaanxi disaster's aftermath included landslides and flooding that contributed significantly to its death toll. Approximately 830,000 people perished as the earth shook and the landscape shifted. The resultant landslides buried villages, and the flooding compounded the catastrophe, making it one of the deadliest events in history. This tragic event serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of natural disasters, where one phenomenon can trigger another, amplifying the devastation. The Shaanxi disaster remains etched in history as a testament to nature's unpredictable power. 5. 2010 Haiti earthquake. The 2010 earthquake in Haiti was a geological event that had far-reaching consequences, including severe flooding. The quake claimed an estimated 230,000 lives, leaving a nation in ruins and its people in despair. The tremors triggered landslides and flooding, compounding the devastation already wrought by the seismic activity. The disaster highlighted the vulnerability of impoverished regions to such calamities, where inadequate infrastructure and resources exacerbate the impact. The international response was swift, but the road to recovery was long and arduous, underscoring the need for sustainable development and disaster preparedness. 6. Cyclone Nargis, 2008. Cyclone Nargis struck Myanmar in 2008, leaving a trail of devastation and claiming around 138,000 lives. The cyclone's massive storm surge inundated coastal areas, overwhelming communities and swallowing entire villages. The lack of an effective warning system and preparedness exacerbated the disaster's impact, leaving many caught off guard. The tragedy underscored the importance of early warning systems and community resilience in the face of such natural phenomena. The scars left by Cyclone Nargis are a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability and the need for proactive measures to safeguard vulnerable populations. 7. The Great Hurricane of 1780. The Great Hurricane of 1780 remains the deadliest Atlantic hurricane on record, claiming between 22,000 and 24,000 lives across the Caribbean. This monstrous storm unleashed its fury on several islands, leaving behind a trail of destruction that reshaped the landscape and the lives of its inhabitants. The hurricane's immense power and the devastation it wrought serve as a reminder of the Atlantic's volatile nature and the threat it poses to coastal communities. The Great Hurricane of 1780 stands as a historical benchmark for understanding the potential scale of hurricane destruction. 8. European heatwave of 2003. In 2003, Europe experienced an extreme heatwave that resulted in over 70,000 deaths, particularly affecting the elderly and vulnerable populations. The relentless heat led to heatstroke, dehydration, and the exacerbation of pre-existing health conditions, pushing healthcare systems to their limits. The event highlighted the dangers posed by extreme temperatures and the need for effective public health measures to protect at-risk populations. The 2003 heatwave serves as a stark reminder of the potential impact of climate change and the importance of adaptive strategies to mitigate its effects. 9. 1991 Bangladesh cyclone. The 1991 cyclone that hit Bangladesh was another reminder of the region's vulnerability to tropical storms. This cyclone caused approximately 138,000 deaths, with high winds and a significant storm surge devastating coastal communities. The disaster highlighted the importance of effective communication and evacuation strategies to mitigate the loss of life in such events. Bangladesh has since made significant strides in improving its disaster response mechanisms, but the memories of the 1991 cyclone remain a sobering reminder of nature's power. 10. Indian Ocean tsunami, 2004. The Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004 was triggered by a massive undersea earthquake, unleashing a wall of water that affected 14 countries. The tsunami claimed around 230,000 lives, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. The sheer scale and speed of the tsunami caught many off guard, highlighting the need for improved early warning systems and international cooperation in disaster response. The event served as a wake-up call to the world, emphasizing the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of such catastrophic events.